morning, sir.
Ek kan nie Brits praat nie, ek hoor niks.
Yeah?
Ek kan nie Brits praat.
No, I can't speak your language, sorry.
Dan moet jy gaan leer my language praat.
What is happening is we have decided, the government and the Minister of Transport, that we are putting RDP toll gate to improve the standards of our roads.
Je kan niet een tollgate op de grondpad opzetten.
A toll gate of a grondpad.
Dat werkt
Ja,
niet.
ek soek nie so. Hoe moet ons waar? Kyk hoe lyk die pad.
No, but you see, sir, because you misuse the road. So we want
Ons
to,
maak wat?
we want to improve the road for you. What is your weight?
My weight.
Yes.
110
Maar
kilo.
dat heeft toch niks met om te zaken. Wat wil je dat weergeeft?
No, but because for every 90, if you are 90 kilos, for every kilo above that, it is one extra
Moenie
rand.
met my stront praat van kilos, bakkies en kilos en
No, julle boere wat julle drink Saterdag nou, julle wil nie.
Man, je hebt niks met die boeren te doen. Jullie is bezig met kak hier, man. Als het niks met die boeren te doen in de government, die pad rijden ons elke dag. En ons rijden om.
You will pay 50 rand for a bottle of whiskey, but you will not pay to.
Ik drink wat ik wil en ik betaal wat ik wil. Hulle zei 100 rand als het nog een bakken.
Ek betaal nie sent nie, man.
Just
Ek
go.
kry hierdie hek in sy moed nou.
I will take your keys away.
Jy vat my wense.
No, you will not drive if I tell.
Give me my
Where's the
wallet.
wallet?
Ah, ons rijden.
Just give me the wallet.
Man, nog mijn wallet heeft niks met mij te doen. En je beter niet dan wegvat.
Can't you speak English? Are you not educated?
Waar is je geboren? Zuid-Afrika of waar is je geboren?
No, I'm a South African, an English speaking South
Jy
African.
lyk vir
Maar
my.
ik zeg Afrikaans speaking South Africa.
Yes. Just
Los mij.
give me the wallet, sir.
Waar het gaat.
What? How you are defamating my character? You are swearing at me.
Luister. Je moet niet dan wegvatten, gauw.
En ons het jou nie gevloek nie. Ek sê die wallet se gat. Hy
Yes.
is besig om ons kap te stamp. Kom ons moer ons sommer nou.
I'm taking your keys away.
Je zal vatten, hij sleutel, val je pa.
What?
Nu wat niet. Vat die gemors weg.
But it's for the government. I'm just
Ek het met
working.
die government niks te doen.
I'm
Ek het nie
working.
vir hulle gestem.
You know, every time people come here.
Hey, nou Afrikaans praat. Hoekom praat jy nou weer? Jy moenie met my mik net self jou blik.
Nee, ik wil net voor jou zeggen, meneer. Geef me 50 rand. Geef me 50. Jeremy. That's it. Hoi, oké, leg op. Wow. Zo waar gaan nou?
Als een rij.
Hey,
I'm on my way. I'm busy harvesting. You know what's harvesting?
no, I have not got the faintest idea. What is it?
Daai mielies wat jy in jou pap eet, nee.
Yes?
Dis die mielies wat ons stroop.
No, I don't care about pap. Otherwise, you know what happens. I make your villa pap. Good morning. This is the RDP for the better roads, you know. Yeah, so you've got to pay me 50 rand before you can go through.
Nee, maar als je net bezig is, jou moet alles in jou shabadi khomu la ka fo sporong kha. Au fa jiti ake sa feten kana kyaji.
Okay. Nee, maar je kan maar daar gaan hoor. Okay, gaan maar daar zo daar. 50 rand?
50 rand for a toll road.
Can you just get out of your car?
No. I'm not going to pay. Yesterday I passed here. It wasn't a toll road.
No, but this is a government instruction.
Your government just wants anything, man. Huh?
Listen,
What must I listen to today? Please tell me.
what is your weight?
My weight.
You are too fat
Too fat to do what?
to use the road.
Hey,
No, this one. What have you got on the back of the bucket?
Two pigs,
Well,
man.
you must take the pigs, let us weigh them.
Who's going to take the pigs out?
I will take the pigs
Take the
out.
pigs, man.
Okay.
Hey, you're not going to take my pigs.
Take the pigs and weigh. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry.
I listen.
No, just calm down a little bit, please. Hey, come through.
What?
Come through.
Why does man go
Go through. No.
How the hell can he go through this place? And he's not paying.
He's black, sir.
Black.
Yes.
Can I show you something, man?
Yes, sir.
Look at that pig. Black behind, in between is white. What do you want to be?
No,
Black
sir.
and white.
No, I want an.
You want the technicolor or what do you want?
No, hey! No, don't. Hey! Hey! Hey!
What?
We have blown the back of that bucky because that man did not listen like you. Now you're going to pay me 50 rand or not? Thank you. Thank you. Now you can. Kudin, come here. Come here.
What's in?
Come here. And I'm Billy Lapa shop and get me 4-liter Coke and 6 white half loaf. Okay?
I
Thank
believe
you.
that money is for the RDP.
But I won't stand here for the RDP, sir, because, you know, I have taken your money.
For what?
For myself! No, I'm not. Listen, Take off. I'm making a movie. But you know,